Good day, everybody. Kevin Baylor, Alliance IT. Hope you're having a great day and a great week and enjoying the beautiful weather. Thought we'd talk briefly today, some tips and tricks and new things that are coming up. First being Windows 10 version 2004. Yes, so 2020, we have version 2004. Go figure. Thank you, Microsoft, for making that clear. Actually, the reasoning behind they named the next update 2004 because they didn't want to make it 2003, thinking some people would actually confuse it with old operating systems. So anyways, that's why we have version 2004 coming up on Windows 10. Some of the things you're going to be seeing in that is that device drivers are now going to show up as optional updates. So they're not going to necessarily be applied right away, which could be good and bad, depending on your system, but I think it'll be a good overall feature coming up in Windows 10. Task Manager, if you're kind of on the geeky side and you want to get a little more details, you'll be able to see what type of hard drive you have, whether it's standard hard drive or SSD. And also the GPU is going to be able to show you the temperature. So you don't have to go out and find that third-party app, whether you're using an ATI card or NVIDIA or any of those, to find out how hot your GPU is running. So nice little add in there. Thank you, Microsoft, for that. So, your Windows search, that's going to take a lot less resources. So that's going to improve your overall performance of your PC. It's something that I think we see often is, even if we're not using it, it's sitting in the background. And whether it's indexing or the search is taking up more resources than we'd like to, and we wonder why, and we want to shut it down. Then when we need it, it's not there. We got to wait for it to start back up. So they're improving the Windows search performance and overall performance of the system with that. Passwordless experience. So maybe some of you have already been accustomed to Windows Hello or fingerprint authentication. But Microsoft's going to push that more in version 2004, getting away from just standard passwords, but allowing you to use the Windows Hello face recognition, fingerprint, or a PIN code in addition to your password to improve that security. So, looking forward to that. Been using Windows Hello myself for quite a while. Having the camera in the Microsoft Surface makes it real easy. Especially if you're on the go, just kind of look down at it, bring it out of sleep, and let it log in for you. So again, a lot of good improvements coming out with Windows 10 version 2004. Cortana's going to be revitalized. I guess apparently she's getting jealous of all the attention that Siri and Alexa are getting. So Microsoft is pushing the Cortana improvements. Seeing that on mobile devices now as well. With like Outlook and some of the other Office apps. So it'll be interesting to see how well Cortana does in this revitalized stage of hers. So more to come on that, and also looking forward to anybody else's feedback and experience in Cortana. So reach out to us, let us know your thoughts and opinions on that. Last, there's going to be some other little minor changes with the 2004. If you got to reload your PC, you'll have a little more Apple-like experience option, such as reloading your PC from an image in the cloud. Tablet experience is going to be improved for those that are using 2-in-1 convertible devices, such as the Surface or some of the 2-in-1 laptops. If you're using it in tablet mode or you haven't because you haven't been fond of it, that's going to be improved. Personally, I like the tablet experience and use it quite often, so looking forward to those improvements that are coming out. Just to make our lives with that a little bit better. So anyways, that's going to be coming out in the spring, so keep an eye out for it. Talk to your IT department or your IT firm as far as how Windows 10 version 2004 may affect you, may benefit you, or maybe it will make a difference. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.